and in fact our journey is pretty long. We are in this business for almost 31 years now. So 31 years, that is something which is a very long journey. We started with the thermal, and then we got into the photovoltaic manufacturing in 2007. So we are early mover of photovoltaic manufacturing as well in India. So it's almost 19 years that we are manufacturing modules. And currently we have 4 gigawatt of manufacturing capability in Surat, and we have almost about 1,800 people working for us. In the factory which we have right now, we are operating, that's one of the globally most highly automated and robotic facility, and 75% of the people working in our factory, so that is coming to almost about 1,000 plus people, they are from tribal belt, so indigenous background. So the kind of social upliftment that we believe in, that these boys are operating one of the world's most robotic or the automated facility, and they are producing the highest quality of modules. We don't just supply in India. We have clients in Europe. We have clients in South African region. We have clients in Middle East. We have a very little business in America, but we are just waiting for the things to get settled, and then one of a major business will happen in USA also. We do have all the qualifications. So this is currently what we are. As per our information given to shareholders in October 2025, we are investing $1.5 billion in manufacturing in 5 years.
$1.5 billion?
Billion dollar. Okay. So which is coming to almost about 13,000 crore rupees, Indian rupees, in manufacturing by 2030. So in 5 years we will complete this investment. And this investment is for setting up 10 gigawatt of solar module line. We have already done 4, so we will do 6 more. Most importantly, we are investing into the 10 gigawatt of solar cell manufacturing and 2 gigawatt of ingot and wafer. So we want to do complete backward integration in manufacturing. Apart from that, we do have a EPC arm where we do projects, utility scale projects and rooftop projects. But our major focus is on manufacturing, and we are planning to scale it up to this level. That is what we have announced in October 2025. There are many other business opportunities are coming up. Like one of the, I think the great opportunity the India is coming up is with BESS, Battery Energy Storage System. The problem in solar these days is that it generates in a daytime, and then you have to transmit in a daytime. Same grid is unutilized in a night time. Right, and so night time the utility, they have to switch to the conventional power, which is thermal or coal or anything. So that's a big problem. Now BESS is coming up so well, so that in daytime you generate extra electricity from solar, charge your batteries, and then in night time you supply this electricity to the grid using your batteries. So that will double up the business in India. So I think that's something which will solve the grid problem, number one. Number two is that will optimize the uses of grid, because right now it is hardly 50% grid is being utilized. So BESS is coming up very fast, and Solex is also planning to get into the manufacturing of BESS and then supply to those integrators. So these are the major areas that we are focusing primarily into manufacturing. Now, when it comes to Goa, so I think Goa has a huge potential for solar because of the climatic condition. This is a very tropical climate, and because of that the generation can be optimal. of course, the Gujarat has taken a lead in terms of installation of solar, and then other states also, like if you look at the Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, every state have catch up. I think Goa also needs to catch it up fast. I see the potential of almost about investment of 10,000 crore in Goa for solar generation by 2030. That is the opportunity that Goa has. Only what is required is the clarity on a policy. The performance and everything is well established, so no need to re-establish or recheck the performance. It's only matter of some initiative by the government and I think some connectivity and confidence building between government and the industry. Goa has a huge tourism industry, so a lot of electricity consumption is there. Apart from tourism, the industries are coming up, very aggressively. So I think where there is a great usage of electricity, and the solar can be quite useful. There is a land also. Obviously, there are certain hilly lands, so those things can be resolved. I think government needs to identify some land parcels where we can put up the solar plant, and this investment we can bring in. That is the one part. Second part is the manufacturing to happen in Goa. We are also eyeing on some opportunity to invest in Goa in manufacturing. So as a part of our $1.5 billion investment, we can explore because anyway we do have some base in Gujarat. So we are looking out for some opportunity outside Gujarat as well, so that we don't have everything in Gujarat. So the Goa is one of our preferred destination, and that's why we are here to explore those opportunity. And this basically, is backed by the India, growth plan in renewable energy. India target is 500 gigawatt by 2030, and government is thinking of expanding this target from 500 to 1000 gigawatt in two tranches. One by 500 to 750 and then 1000. And 70% will be solar. 30% will be another renewable resources like wind and other things. So I think that's a great journey that India is going ahead with. A lot of manufacturing activity which is happening. In fact, just for your information, till 2019, 95% panels were imported from other countries, mainly from China, in India. Only the 5% were going out from the Indian factories. Now, just because of some policy support of ALLM by the government of India, those 95% is also shifted to the Indian factories. That means now Indian factories are supplying 100% panels, just because of ALLM mandate. That if you want to sell in India, you have to manufacture in India. So that is now coming up in other sectors as well. So great opportunity which is coming up in manufacturing, huge investment is coming up in manufacturing and installation, both part. I think Goa has ample of opportunity, and the people in Goa, the industry in Goa, government in Goa, if all decides, I think Goa can do wonders.
So investment. So is there a talk with government about this policy?
I'll supplement the question with my question. Does the Solex Energy has any proposal at regards the solar panels or solar batteries or setting up a unit?
Manufacturing unit in Goa. Yeah, okay. So that's why I said we are exploring business, expansion, manufacturing expansion opportunity in other states outside Gujarat. So we are in discussion with around 2 or 3 states. We are proposing to initiate discussion with the government of Goa also during this India Energy Week. We will meet their senior officers, and then we will put up our proposal. And we are considering one of our favored state for the investment in manufacturing in Goa. Yeah.
You had also spoken about this battery aspect of batteries for storage of solar power. So can you elaborate on this? How important are these apart from the panels?
Yeah, so
batteries?
currently if the government of India is targeting 500 gigawatt and out of that 70% to come from solar, then solar can be optimized more because with solar the limitation is the day generation and night blackout. So with batteries we can double up the solar and charge batteries. The half we can supply in a daytime and half we can charge batteries and the supply to the grid in night time. So I think the battery storage and that is a BESS, battery energy storage system, that is going to be a game changer for Indian electricity and Indian industry, and it will be a very big game changer.
How do you look at this week, energy week, which is starting tomorrow?
Yeah, a lot of things happening. We can see the current geopolitical situation like gas, oil, restriction on buying from whom and where. So it is, I think, renewable is something where there are no restrictions. So I look forward the great opportunity for the renewable, better opportunity for the renewable than the traditional fossil fuel. This thing people are talking, yes, fossil is something which is very important, but I think the way the industry is changing and nuclear is missing in this. Nuclear again, it's going to be a micro nuclear will be the game changer for India. So the renewable and micro nuclear, these are the two areas India will lead this world, and I think we will have a energy independence. Solex, we have established a global factory. So the mindset in Indian manufacturing is not going global right now. People are setting up their facility to supply to the Indian clients. From day one, our approach was different. We wanted to establish our facility for the global clients. So there are a lot of compliances, a lot of processes that we have to develop, where the global customers they feel like home. They find everything in place. All the legality, compliances, processes, documentation and everything. So our facility is a global facility, and I'm proud to say that our tribal boys, they are just with the background of ITI and diploma, and they are producing one of the best quality of solar modules in the world, accepted by the major global players. And till now, the China was manufacturing for everyone. In fact, we are proud to say that we are manufacturing for Chinese companies in our facility. So that is what, the achievement that we have done by our the very young boy. Average age of our company is 23.
It's all out of Gujarat.
It's in Gujarat facility
Surat
right now.
based?
Surat based, yeah.